Are you looking to find the best streaming camera but don't know where to start? Recently, live streaming sites like YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok are becoming more and more popular. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss and review the best live streaming camera, which are best sold and achieved top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Live Streaming Camera. GoPro Hero 9 is the best camera I have ever used for live streaming videos. It is a game changer for me, never been so attached to any of my cameras. Its front-facing screen is an excellent feature that makes it more precious for live streaming videos. 3.0 digital image stabilization leveling lets me produce even smoother and use its immense feature set to let me use it as a webcam and for 1080p Full HD live streaming at Olympics 2022. Voice control. This camera goes hands-free with 14 voice commands like GoPro, starts livestream. Even if the camera is off, I was able to say, GoPro, turn on. The feature I like the most. In that crowded gathering, it assists me like a pro person. It can understand English, US, UK, AU, and Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and a few other languages. Pros. Hypersmooth 3.0 video stabilization. Time Warp 3.0 time-lapse video. Night time-lapse video. Cons. You will probably want to carry redundant batteries. Number 2. Canon R800 Live Streaming Camera. The best camcorder for live streaming, the R800 comes with tons of cool features. It's compact, handheld, and fits into a standard tripod. You can pick them up online for about $10. It has decent sound, excellent picture quality, and it's easy to control. What more do you want from your streaming tech? Specifications. 57x advanced zoom with 32x optical and super range OIS. 28 megapixel Full HD CMOS image sensor. Up to 3 dB audio recording. DB4 image processor compatible with Canon Connect Station CS100. Minimum focusing distant 10mm wide end. Pros. Crisp, clear shot that will capture the small details. Good picture and light balancing. Runs pretty cool. Cons. Reviewers report audio can get scratchy if it's loud. Number 3. Sony A7 III Live Streaming Camera. Sony A711 is the best camera for live streaming video. It doesn't only look luxurious, but it also delivers high-quality live stream videos. NPFC 100 battery has enhanced battery life and is currently rated for around 710 shots per charge. Intelligent viewfinder design also afforded the appliance of autofocus and the focus magnifier method and improved focusing peaking on helping manual focus operation. This camera assists me with the new capability to record stunning 4K live streams. It supports instant HDR workflow. It's an advanced imaging innovation with high-speed response. It is easy to operate. High-resolution inner recording and uncompressed HDMI results also allow an optional outer recorder for pure 4K recording with 4:2:2 sampling. A full-frame 24mm to 240mm zoom range permits this one lens to protect a wide variety of shooting circumstances with a 10x effective zoom range, making it flawless for landscape, snapshots, portraits, and travel where thickening luggage is a priority. Pros. 24MP full-frame XMR BSI CMOS sensor. Bionz X image processor. 693-point hybrid AF. Cons. Additionally, only one card slot supports UHS-2 speeds. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX G7 Live Streaming Camera. This product is one of the best cameras for YouTube live streaming because of how quick it is. Everything about this camera has been geared towards high-resolution imaging. It gives an artifact-free performance in 4K video recording, combined with a high-speed internet connection, capable of connecting across a range of network types. It's fast, reliable, and can be used to record everything from the film footage to the sound. With a 3.5mm mic, it is good enough to do ASMR, if that's your gig. Specifications: 4K QFHD video capture, 5mm remote port, USB 2.0 and HDMI Type-D, 16 megapixel camera, 2360 OLED viewfinder. Pros: comes with Panasonic patented high-speed AF with depth-from-depth focus for quick focus and adjustment. Easily accessible controls that cover everything you need. 4K quality video and photo, with the option to switch to still if you want. Cons: the AI auto setting isn't always 100%. Number 5. Nikon D850 Live Streaming Camera. In my opinion, Nikon D850 is a must-keep for live streaming and many more options. It is built for extreme durability using robust magnesium alloy and carbon fiber materials and dust and moisture closing to shield the technologies inside. It also helps in optimizing handling. It came out to be marvelous for my social media live stream. It features ultra-sharp full-frame 4K UHD video performance even during live streaming. It is capable of advanced cinematic features and a more than capable multimedia device. Video recording from live streaming is viable at 4K UHD 3840 by 2160. Complete HD 1080p video recording is also supported at up to 120p for slow-motion playback. And videos can save in camera memory cards in an uncompressed file. This Nikon camera is susceptible to minimal noise and achieves an ISO range up to 51,200 that can be expandable to 204,800. It has a 45.7MP backside illuminated full-frame sensor capable of extraordinary light gathering for highly detailed images with ultra-shallow depth of domain and intense, clean low-light shots. Pros: 45.7MP FX format BSI CMOS sensor, XP5 image processor, 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second. Cons: the SnapBridge system needs some work. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.